Growing my own food for me is ultimate abundance. It's true wealth.
I've just gone all out, full hog, done the lot, work hard, play hard, get the job done.
Nothing in life is perfect, and I don't think being closed loop, entirely self-sufficient is possible for most.
It was very wet and very sour when we first came here, and so all this soil has been made by us through mulching. There's nothing more complicated than that, and you can do it. You can make extremely fertile soil.
My goal for this is that it will mimic a forest with small clearings for horticulture and small clearings for livestock.
Very rewarding knowing that the food that you're growing is getting used and enjoyed by a lot of people, and the chefs appreciate it.
So now I'm kind of learning to just be that little bit more patient, because plants always catch up, even if you plant them a few weeks later than everybody else.
At the minute, we think we probably cover about 70% of our vegetables year-round. In the years when I'm on top of it, I can eat 52 weeks a year.